What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2010 Nissan Altima with a misfire condition. Let's check it out. After pulling codes, we have P0301, cylinder 1 misfire, so we're going to check out what's going on that cylinder. Here's the ignition coil I pulled out. After further testing, this part, the actual ignition coil, this part actually works, but the spout is the problem. As you can see the fraying on the tip there, once it starts to fray and wear away, the electrical sparks likes to come out of where it's fraying and not continuing onto the spark plug firing the cylinder. So the boot is our problem in this particular case. You could replace the whole ignition coil, which if you can't find the boot available, that's what you would have to do. But some part stores offer just the ignition coil boot if that's all you need. In this particular case, we have the ignition coil boot. No sense in replacing the coil when it's still fully functional. They're simple to remove. This rubber piece actually just removes from the coil itself. There may be a spring in there. Look out for that. You want that in there. That carries the electrode spark all the way down from the boot to the spark plug. This is our new boot, not frayed, fully intact. Squeezes on, and it's that simple. Now we're going to reinstall our ignition coil with the new boot. Nice and smooth and running on all 4 cylinders. Well guys, I think my work here is done. In this particular case, it shows you that you don't need the whole ignition coil. We just needed the boot. And those boots are made of rubber and hard plastic, which is subject to a lot of heat over time, which breaks down. And the spark likes to find the easiest path of resistance. So in this particular case, it was going down and coming out of the side of the boot instead of continuing on directly into the spark plug to fire the cylinder. So next time you have a misfire condition, when you pull your coils out, just be mindful to look at the boots. That may just be where the problem is. But until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next repair.